different kind of cell organelles, characters and functions. Structure and function discussed last classes. So now today I am discussing very important for the examination point of view, cell cycle. What cycle? Cell cycle. What is the cell cycle? The events occur. The events are occur from formation to the cell when involved in the division phase. So in between this particular space, in the lifespan, what events are going on? These all events discussed under in the cell cycle. Cell cycle is the nothing but it is the during the cell, during the what events are takes place from formation to division of the when cell is involved in the division to formation of cell. In between this lifespan, what kind of events are going on? All events discussed under the cell cycle. The cell cycle is basically contained into two different phases. There is the interphase and division phase. Non-division phase or division phase. Interphase or resting phase. So like that, two important events are going on. That is the first is the non-division phase, division phase. Non-division phase is called as interphase. Interphase. Generally it is long life, more time cell is spending in the non-division phase. When the cell enter in the division phase, it takes very short period. So the life duration of cell cycle is differ from cell to cell. So generally in some animal 1 hour is there, in some animal 2 hours are there. In the typical human being cell division is takes 90 hours. So like that, in between the cell, the duration is differ from cell to cell, animal to animal, tissue to tissue. So whatever it may be, in the cell cycle, two events are there: division phase, interphase. So now here, interphase further classified with remain categories. There is the G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase. G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase. Gap period 1, G1 means gap period 1. Synthesis means the synthesis of the DNA and duplication is takes place, and gap phase 2. So in the G1 phase, the protein synthesis as well as the cell organelles synthesis is takes place in the G1 phase. After completion of the G1 phase, the cell is entering the S phase. In the S phase, the DNA duplication is takes place, double takes place. That's why it is called as synthesis phase. After that, cell is at the G2 phase. In the G2 phase, what are the requirements for the division purpose? All the requirements are found in the G2 phase. After completion of this G1 S G2 phase, the cell enters the division phase. When the cell enters the division phase, there is cell division further placement to remain categories: karyokinesis, cytokinesis. The division of the nucleus is called as karyokinesis. The division of the cytoplasm is called as cytokinesis. Division of the nucleus is called as karyokinesis. Division of the cytoplasm is called as cytokinesis. The karyokinesis is also further classified to four main categories: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. After that, the cell is entered the cytokinesis. After cytokinesis, whatever new important two daughter cells are formed. After formation of the daughter cell, once again they are in the G1, S, G2, like the karyokinesis, cytokinesis. All are cyclically one after the occur in the cell cycle. That's why the diagramical representation is now I am doing here. So this is called as division phase. Is very small space is there. So like this is completely non-division phase. Non-division phase contains the G1, S, G2 phase. After G2 phase, the cell is under the which phase? Division phase. This is the karyokinesis, lot of time is spent. Cytokinesis takes very small time. So like that, 5 events: G1, S, G2, karyokinesis, cytokinesis. Like that, continuously of events are occur in the cell cycle. So that's why cell cycle is also very important. So here, some rare cases, abnormal condition, if the cell cycle is disturbed, then what happens? The cell cycle is disturbed, the body is not require the cell, but new cells are formation is takes place. The newly formed cells, they don't contain any response, they don't contain any responsibility in the animal body. So the cell is number is increased. at the time getting disease is called as cancer. When the cancer is occur by the cell division when the failure is going on. At the time what happened here? Numerous unwanted cells are formed. These numerous unwanted cells are disturbed to the animal. So like that, the cell cycle disturbance is also very dangerous. Thank you.